Alright guys, so I get a ton of questions about my COOLSHIRT setup, so I'm going to show you guys real quick what goes into it. I'm wearing the shirt right now. This is the COOLSHIRT Evolution FR, one of the latest, newest shirts that they have. It is SFI rated, so I wear this under my suit. It's long sleeve. It's got these tubes that come off of it that will plug into my COOLSHIRT system. So I will put this on real quick, and then I'll show you how we hook it up with the car. So these tubes, there's a special zipper in my suit, so I'm able to actually stick these out from my suit. It does kind of look funny, but it's for a good purpose. It keeps me safe with my suit totally zipped up, and then just the tubes plug into the unit in the car. Alright, so now that I'm in the car, all I have to do, I have these quick disconnect connections that I plug in, just like that. And that's pretty much it. I've got my two controllers. I've got one for my shirt, and actually, I'm spoiled. I also have one for my air blower for my helmet. So I'm gonna get all hooked up and head on track.